What is up, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video, we're going to be going over one of my favorite tools that help me grow my YouTube channel. And we're going to be doing that today with vidIQ's help. I want to give a huge shout out to vidIQ for sponsoring this video. It's a tool that I use to personally help grow my YouTube channel, and it's really simple to use. It can also be really complicated. So I'm going to go over some of the things that you need to know when you decide to use this tool. So real quick, we're going to take a look at the home page or the analytics page of vidIQ's website. Basically, this is just going to show you guys some really quick YouTube stats. Overall, how many views and subscribers have you gained the past month, some lifetime stats, and the best times to post your YouTube videos. Now, there's a ton of other analytics that you can take a look at here as well, and those are all good. They all do help, but it can be a little bit overwhelming. But believe it or not, this is actually simpler to look at than what YouTube has to offer in the Creator Studio. This stuff is helpful, but that's not exactly why we're here. We're here because we want to figure out how we can use vidIQ to help us grow our YouTube channel. The first thing that we want to do, we want to head over to the Chrome Web Store, type in vidIQ, and it's the first one, vidIQ Vision for YouTube, and you're going to want to install this little Chrome plugin. Then when you head back over to YouTube, you're going to start seeing this vidIQ logo pop up in certain places. So the first place you'll probably notice it is up here in the top right hand corner of YouTube. What this does is give you some at a glance stats on your YouTube channel. So I have mine set up to show me the views that my channel has generated over the past 60 minutes, as well as 2 days, and show me the watch time and the subscribers that I have gained total. Then once you start looking at some YouTube videos, maybe on your suggested page or your subscription, you'll start seeing some things when you hover over these numbers right here. So 99%, just the like to dislike ratio, saying that most people generally liked that video. And then you get some more things over here that can really help you guys out. So like if you want to do a channel audit, if you want to look at your most viewed videos, all that stuff is right there. But where we want to focus our attention is on our upload. When you go to your upload, you're going to notice a few things. You're going to notice that vidIQ is going to give you some suggestions. If I look here, we see our title here, but vidIQ has a suggestion. Unfortunately, this time the suggestion for the title and description is not exactly matching the product, so that's why I didn't add this particular suggestion. But typically, let's say that it just said Alienware unboxing and it didn't have the model number included, it would actually suggest adding the model number that was very common in the tags of the video and the description into the description and the title of the video, which of course adding relevant information is going to help boost it in the search algorithm and be picked up by more people to see, because it's going to rank a little bit higher. If we scroll down, we see best time to publish on your channel. Overall, peak time is between 3 and 5 p.m. This is when I published my video. I published it at 3 p.m., which is at the high point during the day of when a lot of people happen to be on YouTube. So that's just another really easy thing that you can do, that this does all the work for you and figures out when is the best time for you to upload your videos. Next, right here, we have this vidIQ SEO score. So this is basically just going to score your video and let you know how well your video is going to do in SEO based on what vidIQ recommends. Also, there's a quick checklist right here that you can look at just to make sure that you have like some cards in the video, end screen, monetization enabled, stuff like that. But sometimes it is really easy to forget. So having that checklist there is a nice feature. And then right here, we can see our tags of the video. So this first one right here is our overall ranking for this video's tags. So overall, gave it a pretty decent score of vidIQ. And then we can look and see these little numbers right here. This basically is just showing us that if we were to search this term, that would be the search ranking of the particular tag, which is helpful because these are the keywords that you want to be entering into YouTube when you want your viewers to find your video. And this is how you're able to organically grow your channel. And this applies universally. It doesn't just matter if you're reviewing tech or doing a gaming video or whatever. If you're vlogging, doing beauty videos, doing anything, you need to make sure that you have relevant content in your tags, matching your descriptions, matching your title. Obviously, if you just throw some random stuff in there, YouTube is not going to promote your video. But as long as everything that you have relates together, you'll see that your tags will start to rank in real time. This is just a nice feature to have because let's just say that after you post your video, a couple days, a week goes by, it's not performing as well as you thought it was. Now you can go in here, see how well your tags ranked, and adjust your tags, description, and title so that your video can now start to rank higher in the search engine. If we go right here and click Keyword Inspector, we can type in our particular keyword. Let's type in Alienware. monitor. Now it's going to show us a huge list of different suggested keywords that are relevant to our content. And with that, it's going to show us how often these keywords are used in the top 10 training videos, search volume, competition, and overall score. But what we really want to pay attention to right here is the search volume and the competition. Typically, I go with medium competition and a decent amount of search volume. So right here, Alienware, gaming monitor, best gaming monitor, all right here with a ton of search volume and medium competition, which is going to give us a better chance of those tags ranking on our video. Then at the bottom, we can hit boost this video, and this is going to give us even more relevant tags, maybe some that we didn't really think of, maybe some that have related products or related themes, ideas that are similar to what you're doing in your video. And this can also help you grow your channel and have your tags help rank your video higher in the search. After you enter in all these tags and they are relevant, you want to go back through and make sure that your description and your title matches a lot of your tags, but you just want to make sure that it all lines up so that YouTube promotes your video. The next thing I want to show you guys as well, very similar topic, but this is not only to help your new uploads that you have, but also videos that you've uploaded in the past. So right now we're on the SEO tab on vidIQ's website. Now vidIQ is showing us some bulk SEO. Basically, it's going to show you all of the tags and titles and descriptions and whatnot of videos that it thinks that it can help you improve. So right now it'll show your tags that you have on your videos and how many times that keyword has been searched. So you'll know what tags are doing the best and performing the best, and if it has suggestions for new tags, is it better to swap out those new tags versus the old tags? That way you're able to pick up a few more views on your videos. I even found a video that I posted a month ago, and the video did kind of well. I was surprised actually how well it did when I realized that the video didn't have any search tags. So this entire month that video was out, there was no additional tags added to the description. And as we can see, it has 22 videos that it went through, all of my videos, and found 22 of them that it thinks that it can help with the search optimization. If you are super fresh and new to doing YouTube, you can click this little button right here at the top. It'll take you to the vidIQ Academy, and basically there are some courses in there that will show you how to become a better YouTuber. Give you a lot of best practices that have worked for other bigger YouTubers that have been doing it for a while and are experienced in it. This will help keep you more consistent on YouTube. And for growth, that 100% is the name of the game, consistency. But again, I want to give a huge shout out to vidIQ for sponsoring this video. I hope that this video helped you out in terms of figuring out new strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020. As we know, the competition is fierce and we're gonna need some help. These tools are really easy to use, and believe it or not, it's only scratching the surface. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We can help each other out, or feel free to join my Discord as well. vidIQ, I will have linked in the description so you can check it out. Let me know what you think of it. And that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video.